What's the secret behind billionaires' spending habits that keeps their wealth growing, while most people struggle to save? Did you know the average billionaire spends less on luxury items than you might think? We'll break down 5 key ways billionaires allocate their wealth. By the end of this video, you'll learn the strategies billionaires use to not only spend wisely, but also make, and how their money works for them, and you can apply these in your life too. We'll break down 5 key ways billionaires allocate their wealth, why they rarely overspend on lifestyle upgrades, the types of investments they prioritize, the one surprising area where they splurge guilt-free, why they spend on personal growth and innovation, and how they approach philanthropy strategically. These mindsets are gold. Stay concentrated, learn from it, and apply it. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's get started. Number 1. Billionaires spend less on lifestyle than you think. If your goal is financial freedom, why would you trap yourself in a lifestyle you can't afford? Billionaires often allocate only a small percentage of their wealth to luxury. Research shows that over 60% of ultra-wealthy individuals prefer investing in appreciating assets like real estate or businesses, rather than depreciating items like cars or designer clothes. As The Millionaire Next Door reveals, most millionaires look like ordinary people. Their secret: they don't let lifestyle creep rob them of financial independence. Most people fall into the income trap, upgrading their lifestyle with every pay raise. But here's the catch. This keeps you on the treadmill of financial stress, chasing income just to sustain appearances. A flashy lifestyle might impress onlookers, but it drains resources that could be multiplying silently in investments. These billionaires know that true wealth isn't about what's seen, it's about what's growing behind the scenes. Number 2. Investments come first. Billionaires treat investments as their financial cornerstone. Knowing every dollar put to work today can multiply tomorrow. Consider Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. When she started her company, she took the $5,000 she saved from selling fax machines and reinvested it all into her business idea instead of spending it on short-term pleasures. For billionaires, investments are about building vehicles that work 24/7 to grow their wealth, not just chasing temporary returns. Most people spend first and invest what's left, if anything. Billionaires flip this script by prioritizing investments before expenses. Here's a challenge. How many opportunities have you missed because your money was tied up in things that didn't grow in value? As Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill reminds us, great fortunes begin with a single decision to take action. Shift your mindset. Treat investments as non-negotiable, and you'll create a financial engine that powers your dreams. Number 3. The guilt-free splurge. Despite their disciplined spending, billionaires do indulge in experiences that bring them joy. Jeff Bezos, for example, spent $5.5 billion on a 10-minute space flight through his company, Blue Origin. While extravagant, it aligned with his passion for space exploration. Richard Branson, the founder of Virgin Group, who famously purchased Necker Island for $180,000 at the age of 28. Splurging occasionally, on experiences, not things, can enhance happiness without derailing financial goals. Psychology suggests that spending on experiences creates lasting memories and greater fulfillment. Identify what truly brings you joy and budget for it. Whether it's travel, hobbies, or unique experiences, guilt-free splurging can recharge you and make life more enjoyable. Think about it. Would you rather spend $5,000 on the latest gadget or on a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that changes your perspective? When you align spending with your passions, it feels less like an expense and more like an investment in happiness. Number 4. Spending on personal growth and innovation. Innovation is the lifeblood of billionaire success. It's how they stay ahead in an ever-changing world. Take Elon Musk, for example. Instead of merely following existing trends, he invests in groundbreaking technologies like reusable rockets through SpaceX or electric vehicles with Tesla. As Peter Thiel explains in 0 to 1, the most valuable companies create something new, not incremental improvements. For you, this could mean embracing creativity in your work, learning new skills, or finding fresh solutions to old problems. Most people spend on fleeting pleasures, while billionaires focus on skills, knowledge, and innovation, the true building blocks of wealth. Think about this. How much do you spend on entertainment versus education? Spending on personal growth is about creating systems that position you for success. Whether it's a course that sharpens your skills or time devoted to creative problem solving, These investments yield far greater rewards than any luxury item ever could. Number 5. Strategic philanthropy. For billionaires, philanthropy isn't just about giving money. It's about creating lasting impact. Take Bill Gates, who, through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, strategically addresses global issues like eradicating diseases and improving education. Rather than simply writing checks, Gates uses data and research to ensure every dollar contributes to measurable outcomes. Billionaires understand that true wealth isn't just measured in dollars, but in the positive change they can drive in the world. People view charity as a noble but optional act, often giving sporadically without considering the ripple effects. However, strategic philanthropy challenges us to think deeper. How can you give in a way that solves problems at their roots rather than treating symptoms? Strategic philanthropy teaches us that giving isn't a sacrifice. It's an investment in building a better, sustainable future. What legacy are you creating with your resources? Wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how wisely you spend, save, and invest. Start today, and who knows, you might just become the billionaire in your story. If this video gave you new insights, like it, share it, and subscribe to continue building wealth with me. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.